Where are you? Ito
Ano?
kayo?
お祭りママ
Hindi! I mean, dito sa Discord, ano sinasabi mo? You know what? Fine! Ito, talaga, for sure.
Professional
Talaga, I'm not delusional! I'm not delusional! Hindi talaga ako delusional. Ganito siya.
You are.
Like, ganito yung position niya, L-shape. You look like an L-shape. Wait lang.
Blind leading the blind moment.
Pinost ko na sa sa media. Talaga ba?
Talaga ba? Seryoso ka ba?
Yan kasi. That's in chess. That's how much. Yan yung L-shape. L-shape siya, diba? L-shape. Basta L-shape siya. L-shape siya.
Matatalo ko sa chess, babe.
Nakikita ko talaga yung vision talaga. We are horse
Wala
pieces.
kaming nakikita. You're
We are horse
delusional.
pieces. Talaga, we are horse pieces talaga. For real talaga. For real,
Di
for
na-
real. I'm telling you guys, we look like a horse.
Oh, I'm yellow.
I'm blue.
I'm green.
Purple talaga yan.
I'm blue.
I'm green.
Oh, you're purple.
Yo guys, what's up? Come with me, please. Wait,
Hindi siya purple.
kamukha ako sa Ninjago.
Si Lloyd? Joke, hindi. Na Lloyd.
Oh, did Jago mention Lloyd Garminator mentioned? Under the
The
same.
Lloyd.
Where did you come from? You know, Midnight Dream Show. You know what I think of that? It sounds like Midnight Channel. You know, like in Persona 4.
Persona 4? Persona 4? Midnight Channel? Midnight Channel? Oh my god! All the things. The fog is coming. The fog is coming.
Fog is coming.
Larper ka! You have to play Persona 4.
You know who else is coming? Me.
Oh, dramatic events. They forced me.
We're in the Midnight Channel.
There is no other option. And you best keep your eyes on one thing. Me. I can do it. Okay. The future depends on this one number. Too low, you don't wanna know what happens. Too high, you're in for good things.
Hoy! Doon ka sa lever mo! 3, 2, pull the lever, Trunk.
What?
Oh, pull ang dala. Oh, 3, 2,
1.
1.
We're gonna balance.
Let's balance.
And that's accounting.
The outfits, the liabilities, the capital, the credibility, the finances, the revenue, the expenses, everything must be.
Oh, I'm
No.
telling you. So,
I'm the queen of the world.
Crazy.
Hindi, napaka-pagod. Parang
Well,
hardcore. Shout out. I hear the love and six. Ha?
oh my god.
na mystery box.
Ayan ba yung message?
Did you buy anything?
I believe manalo tayo.
I wish 853.
853?
Yeah.
853, last number.
Hindi ko pa sure.
Wait, isamba ko na lang habang hinahanap mo. Ay! Masasabog ba kung mali ako?
Hindi ko alam.
Para masasabog. Try ko.
Wow.
Never mind pala. Bumibilis yung count. Oh my gosh. 8, 5, 3, 6, 8, 5, 3, 9, 8, 5, 3, 7, 8, 5, 3, 4, 8, 5, 3, 0. Ha? 8, 5,
Okay.
8, 5, 3. Alis ka na lahat, diba?
I don't know, man.
Ah!
Wala.
8538. Oh!
May ganon.
I
Uy, may ganun
think
pala.
the guy in the Matrix. Or isang...
Have you watched The Matrix?
No.
No.
Larper! Larper! Yan, deserve! Kakalarpin mo ng Matrix!
Ay,
The
ikaw ba?
Matrix.
Napanood mo na.
Malamang hindi.
Oh, Larper ka rin.
Wait, we do this in Filipino culture.
What do you mean? Ano?
Kinikling.
Pinikling?
Kinikling.
Ate ko, hindi ata ganito dapat yung kinikling.
Wait, what if gumawa sila ng Squid Game? Pero, Pusit Game!
Pusit.
Yung karadas na, alam niyo yung parang green na bilog? Yung parang ginagamit para pang patanggal ng mosquito.
Oh.
Oh, ano meron?
Ayun yung isang game doon. Imbes na honeycomb, yun yung tatanggalin. Kasi diba ang hirap tanggalin doon?
Hindi ko yung ginagawa.
Wala, mga rich kids kasi kayo.
Fazbear!
Pretty famous, man.
Pretty Fazbear.
Uy, smash. Eme.
Huh?
Furby?
Eme, ang pangit pala. Ang pangit niya pala.
Put the fur to the re.
Ang pangit niya pala.
Why do I hear heartbeats?
My heart is beating. Di ko na kaya.
Kapag tumibo,
la.
Hindi niya. Oh, okay. Kamukha niya.
Kamukha niya din.
parang tala lang din siya kaya walang nagbago masyado.
I got one. Ah! Don't touch me!
Touch me not. No limit ang here. No limit ang here.
No limit up there.
Anong nolibihit Hungary?
Ito?
Ito.
You make yourself determined.
Awan.
I'm determined.
Sa akin to, dun ka sa kabila.
Ay, oh. Oh.
Dadalhin ko to victory. No! Uy!
Oh,
Kinuklip mo yung cup eh. Ito.
we debuted!
Yo.
Oh, we're
Squid
stars!
Game.
Shovel, we're stars!
No, I think babarilin nila tayo.
Everyone,
No thanks.
eyes on the all-seeing board, please. Now then, time to grudge. Gauge.
God.
God.
Gauge.
Ayaw nga
The countdown
na dapat
to
over
7.
300,000.
Oh!
Eh.
You did it. There's fate that is not for me to decide. No. Let's turn on the lovely audience members. Their judgment will show skills. I think they love us.
Hopefully. They... Yes. We live.
Ito lang yung pera. Saka bang bus this?
Huh? Ano? I'm spreading evil.
Wait, in Tokyo. We need to go to Tokyo. We need to go to Tokyo. Please.
We should not be going to Tokyo.
I feel like if these games become popular, everyone will draw jelly fan art about them.
Yes!